Cool. Let me record. Cool. We're recording. Okay, Chris, tell me about it. Okay, so you just made a sale.
Did, yeah.
It's exciting.
I did,
For
yeah.
what?
So it was a 2K
days.
sale, full pay. So that was nice.
Don't you love
Electronic
those?
retailer program. So,
Nice.
and yeah, it's been doing pretty good. Can't complain about it at all. We are taking a little bit of a dip this month, but we're about to go like this, you know. We just hired on a setter. So he's setting calls for me. So super, super excited.
That's
Still
awesome.
using the Google Forms. The Google Forms were probably about 14K worth of our sales last month came from Google Forms.
Dang, just from the Google form.
Yeah. So
that's insane. Oh my
god.
God.
I was actually looking
Congrats.
at it the other day, and I was going through because we had like 50 applicants or something like that, and I was like, I was looking through. That person bought, that person bought, this person bought, that person bought.
That's
okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we need to keep doing this for sure.
Awesome.
And we also have it set up to where, so I kind of merged you and my mentors thing together. So we do the Google Forms. Then we also, that's like a, you know, if they want to fill it out, that's cool. We'll reach out to them right later on. But if they want to meet up with us directly and like go to the front of the line, they can book their call and fill out their application all at once and get on a discovery call, which then my setter does, you know, and then he said if they're qualified, he sends them to me. So it's working out. It's doing well. Very excited.
That's insane. Okay, so quickly, just so that for the recording and everything, can you tell me how long it's been since you've joined the Inner Circle?
Well, it's been about 2 months.
Yeah, I was gonna say like somewhere between 90 days and 2 months. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And you've done roughly how much in sales?
So last month we did 35,000 in revenue, about 15K cash collected. This month though, we are doing right now. Like I said, we took a little bit of a dip, not big. Mm-hmm. Right now with the sale that I just made, we are at, what are we at? 14K revenue, 10K cash collected. So
nice.
Cash collected is
awesome.
up a lot. So
that's true.
Yeah, we've gotten 4 full pays this month, so it's been good.
Solid for 2K. Yeah.
Yeah, it's doing good.
Awesome.
We're about to increase
You're
our price to
crushing.
800 probably next month, so it's very exciting. We've got some good stuff going on. We invested in another program, so we're growing. You know, got to keep learning.
Yeah, for sure. But is the Google form? Sorry, I'll go.
No,
you have the floor.
I mean, we just, you know, I've been growing, I've been learning. I mean, I haven't even applied everything in your program yet. I did build out the webinar thing, but we're kind of merging what we're learning all together, you know, and it's working out. You know, take a little bit from here, a little bit from there. But your program definitely, the Google form was probably number one, for sure. It helped us out in an amazing way, just getting applications flowing in, you know. Yeah. Because now, you know, our Facebook group there are leads everywhere, freaking everywhere. I found the key to generating leads with a Facebook group, and it's insane. From polls to I mean, it's amazing. Just how many leads that I can just generate, you know, within a week, and I can't even keep up with them. It's ridiculous. Like, there's no way, you know. So I think it's just wild, man. So it's good. We're doing well.
That's awesome.
The program definitely helped, but yeah.
Sweet. I'm like super stoked to hear that, and I love that. I mean, the Google form, like, it's such a simple concept, yet it makes a huge impact.
It was so simple. It was ridiculously simple.
That's awesome. Dude, I'm so stoked for you.
Yeah. So we're ready to blast off, you know, next month. I think we're really going to take it to the next level. We're going to be bringing on many more setters, probably 2 more setters this month and next month to really ramp up those calls, you know, because not only are we getting calls from the applications themselves, we're getting people booking themselves. We have people reaching out and getting people on the calls with us. We have, you know, leads everywhere. It's insane. And we're also spending $200 a day on Facebook ads for getting people into the Facebook group.
Nice.
Which we're also getting leads that way. So
an abundance of leads.
It's an abundance of leads. I can't keep up with them. So that's why we got to hire on more people. Because I literally, we can't keep up. There's so many.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So Chris, I want to ask you so I can understand, what were some of the questions that were going through your mind, like right before you joined the inner circle? And then, just tell me that.
Okay. So I remember our phone call directly. I didn't go through your funnel to sign up though.
Yeah, you didn't.
If you remember that, I didn't go through your funnel and I just called you up and we were talking about it and I was like, man, I don't know if this is actually going to work, you know? And then you were like, well, just go through the funnel and then see what happens. So I went through the funnel and then I'm like, okay, I can apply this, and that to what I'm doing. I got it. All right, here you go.
Cool.
And that's what I did. You know, everything has been applied. It's working. It's doing well. Yeah, I mean, go through the funnel, guys. Whoever's watching this, just go through Nico's funnel. Like, it works.
Go through the funnel. It works. Here's Chris. Now he went through the funnel.
And then I just
and he's applying it to his own business and crushing it, like
molding it to my own business. Yeah.
And you haven't even, I mean, literally, you haven't even applied like all of it yet. It's mostly just the Google
Still going through it. Still going through it. It was mostly the form. That was the game changer for us. Like, I know you had some stuff on Facebook groups and stuff like that. Of course, I'm in a mastermind when it comes to how to monetize Facebook groups and stuff. But like, there was some little nuggets there too. You know, I always take stuff from courses and just keep applying and putting in. You know, like, but the Google form was by far probably the best part of the program. It definitely just that paid for your program. So awesome. It was exciting to see that in action, see it working, and it's been an exciting couple months, and we are building the foundation for growth now. So it's very, very exciting to see. I mean, we got a product. I mean, reselling electronics is going to be around forever. Yeah. So it's not going anywhere, you know?
So tell everyone briefly, like in like 10 seconds, like what's your program all about? You just kind of said it, but.
So we help people start, grow, and scale electronics reselling businesses. 5 seconds.
Yeah. Perfect. That's perfect.
As you can see, there's stuff in the back I got to ship out. So.
Oh yeah, you do some stuff. Oh yeah, I see it in the boxes.
Yep.
Perfect.
A couple $1,000s worth of electronics back there. So.
Nice.
Yep.
So do you, like, another quick question, do you guys anticipate, like, I know we kind of talked about you potentially, well, actually you kind of said it, you were thinking of raising the price even more.
Yeah, we will.
Every guys' offer, okay. So I think I'm doing it to 2,800.
Once we sell a couple more full page, we're gonna just be increasing it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's necessary. Like, if the full page just keep coming in, it's just like, okay, well, if they can pay 2,000, they can pay 2,800. You know, and then we'll just go from there and then increase it again and again. You know, until people say they can't pay anymore. You know.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah. So everything's been good. Can't complain. Exciting.
Awesome. Well, we love having you. Do you enjoy like the group calls? I see you on there
Dude,
most of the time.
I missed it today. I was at the gym, but I do enjoy those whenever I can get on them.
Sweet. Cool. Well, I love your attitude and just like your mindset, and you're super positive and you're applying it and you're getting results. So yeah, just love having you. So, and we'll meet up sometime eventually because we both live in Texas.
I know, right?
Sometime I'll like come drive down there, or you come drive up here.
Well, one of these days.
Yeah, actually Spencer lives down in Houston.
Nice.
So Spencer Taylor, so I gotta go. Just make a trip.
Absolutely.
Hang out with both you guys.
That sounds fun.
All right, well, thanks so much, Chris. I really appreciate you just sharing a little bit about the program and your experiences so far. And I'm just stoked to see that you're getting really good results and kind of applying a bunch of different things. And yeah.
Oh, next time we talk, hopefully I'll be at 100K months. That'd be great.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I think that's probably going to happen a lot sooner than you think.
I think so too. Yeah, I do.
That's awesome.
All right, Nico. Talk to you soon. I got to get to the post office.
All right. Okay. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Chat soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.